Hi, I'm Gillian Brown from Harpenden Sports and Spinal Clinic and IDD Hertfordshire. I want to talk to you about how to treat a herniated or slip disc without surgery. So you may be someone that's stuck at home and you've got raging sciatica or arm pain. Maybe you were waiting for an injection or surgery or physio exercises, and because of the COVID-19 crisis, none of that is available. So we are a clinic that is still open for online consultations, and we do really successfully treat herniated and slip discs. So if you're someone, and during that consultation, what we will be able to do is to pre-screen you for our IDD therapy. So this is a treatment which is aimed specifically at decompressing the spine, so taking pressure off the spine and the nerves, and allows the disc to heal. Um, During that pre-screen, we were able to take a full case history as we would do normally, um, look at you moving, give you exercises, give you tips on how to keep mobile and how to help take some pressure off your spine. And there's a lot that can be done in this initial phase. And then that way, if you're suitable for IDD therapy, we'll have you just ready to go as soon as we get the lockdown lift off. It's a very low contact treatment. So as soon as we get the opportunity to get you in, we'll be able to get you in straight away for that therapy. So don't feel like you're at home and you can't get any support out there, because I know how painful a slip disc or a herniated disc is, and there is help and support out there. And please call the clinic if you'd like to book in for that telephone or online consultation. We've reduced the price from usual £65 to £35 during this crisis. The clinic number is 01582 760444, or you can also find us at harpendensportsandspinal.co.uk. So that's harpendensportsandspinal.co.uk. And we look forward to helping you. Okay, thank you.